Here's how I made $736 in 36 hours without spending a single dime. Let me show you. Head over to Pixabay or Pexels.com. You need to search for a horizontal video of someone typing or reading something in a computer. This is gonna make sense to you in just a second. Hang on. Download the video. Go to Volutic.com, which is a platform that pays people to read emails with ads on them. Create a completely free account and set up your payment details so they can pay you. Now here's the kicker. You're not gonna be getting paid to read the emails. What you're gonna be doing is promoting their platform and earning $1 every single person that signs up. Get your affiliate link and the video that you downloaded before and head over to Imgur.com. Now on Imgur.com, you need to create a new post with the video that you downloaded before telling people to go make money for free reading emails online and include your affiliate link in the description of the video. So when they go to the platform using your affiliate link, every single time they sign up for completely free, you're gonna win $1. Imgur is a website that gets 72 million visitors every single month. It's like an online gold mine that not a lot of people know about. Comment down below Pexels and I'll send you a full free guide on how you can do this.